Watch this video if you're looking for the best Night Owl DVR replacement. Hey everyone, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why our Viewtron DVRs are an amazing replacement for any Night Owl DVR. And really, this is applicable to replacing any other brand DVR. Swan, Digital Watchdog, Lorex, and Night Owl, all of them are applicable. And the reason is our Viewtron Hybrid DVRs, and I'm talking about BNC DVRs or CCTV DVRs, not network IP camera NVRs in this video. Our Viewtron Hybrid DVRs are compatible with every video format that all of the major manufacturers have used over the last 20 years. Just with one exception, which is HD-SDI video format, which really was not used that much and was not used for very long. But our Viewtron DVRs are compatible with analog CCTV cameras, which is CVBS video format, HD-TVI, HD-CVI, and HD. They work with all of them, and they work with all the resolutions, starting with old analog D1 resolution, 960H resolution, still analog, 1 megapixel 720p, 1080p, 2 megapixel, 3 megapixel, 4 megapixel, and even 8 megapixel or 4K resolution security cameras. This will work with any Night Owl security camera in any of those formats, again, along with all the other manufacturers as well. We've helped thousands of customers over the years replace old CCTV DVRs and upgrade to these Viewtron DVRs because they work with the customer's old analog CCTV cameras and with their existing coax cable that's in place. And then you can upgrade over time, one by one, as needed. You can leave your old analog CCTV cameras on the DVR and then just replace one channel with a 4K BNC camera or 4 megapixel, and you could do it over time. So it's extremely convenient. And in the meantime, you get the very best user interface. These Viewtron DVRs are extremely easy to use. The live video, the search and playback capability, the setup configuration, the user interface with the mouse is super simple to use. And if you get stuck, our tech support is the best. Another feature that's amazing is the Viewtron DVRs also work with Viewtron IP cameras and any ONVIF compliant IP cameras. So you can transition, upgrade to IP cameras over time and still use your old Night Owl CCTV cameras in the meantime. Another amazing feature that's built into these Viewtron DVRs is smart motion detection. Smart motion detection uses AI software built into the DVR to detect humans and car objects so you don't get a bunch of false positives that you do with traditional video motion detection. And the smart motion detection can be used with your existing CCTV cameras as well as the higher def BNC cameras if you decide to upgrade. And by the way, Night Owl has used analog CCTV in the past, and then they've over time used 1080p cameras, 4 megapixel, and now they have 4K resolution BNC cameras, just like everyone else. And again, the Viewtron DVRs will work with all of them. Another feature that most customers that are upgrading their old Night Owl DVR are interested in is a up-to-date and easy-to-use mobile app for iPhone and Android. The Viewtron mobile app is excellent. It's available for iOS and for Android, and the live view and the playback and all the functions are amazing, as is the desktop software for Windows and Mac. And you get all of these for free. In addition, you get our USA-based tech support for free for the life of our products. So in any Viewtron DVR or cameras that you buy, you get free tech support from my guys here in West Palm Beach, Florida, for the life of the product. Last, all of our Viewtron DVRs and cameras are NDAA compliant, so they can be purchased for government use. A few years back, our government kind of banned certain manufacturers in China from being used for government projects? Well, our manufacturing partner for our Viewtron DVRs and cameras is fully NDAA compliant. So these Viewtron DVRs can be used for government projects as well. If you have any questions about a Night Owl DVR replacement, you can email me directly anytime. Actually, questions on anything related to video surveillance, I can be reached at mike@viewtron.com. If you want to see some demo videos of these Viewtron DVRs or learn more about them, please visit www.viewtron.com/DVR. Thank you for watching.